to you to my company's Managing Director Kunal Sharma, Marketing Head Mehul Jain, Financial Head Yashodhan Sao, and the Research and Development Head Sanskar Agarwal. And I, Himanshu, will be the CEO of this company. As the CEO of the company, I would like to introduce some of the facts to you. Do you guys know that we produce more than 10 million tons of, we print more than 10 million tons of paper in a month? And do you even know that after printing, where this paper sheets will go? I'll tell you, this paper sheets will be discarded in less than a minute. Why can't we recycle it? Why can't we use it again so that we can save the papers? As we all know that paper comes from tree. If we save the papers, we can also save the trees. As we all know that by cutting trees only we get the papers. So our company Infotech would like to present you a new product Quantico, which will help to reduce the paper wastage in the country. So now I would like to pass on to the Kunal Sharma, who will make you more friendly with the product.
I, Kunal Sharma, MD of Infotech, would like you to introduce you to our new product, Quantico. It is basically a product in which has a dual effect, as you can use it as a printer, as we all do in our home. We does it in our office use of many. But the main innovation which our company does is that we have included a software, a kind of technique which is named as Quantico, through which you insert any paper inside it, any used paper. It will separate the ink from the paper and you will get a fresh paper. Due to its chromatography feature which we have added in this, its advanced chromatography technique. As you all know, we have also that paper is being used nowadays and trees have been deforested. So this product is mainly used for commercial as well as home use. Now we have also given USB ports and also given Wi-Fi connectivity to this. Now this is basically a product which came to my mind as I've read in the newspaper, according to a survey, it was shown that on an average, a school requires 90,000 papers a year. On an average, a school. And similarly with an office, a small organization or a big organization requires around 70,000. So we thought that, and half of these papers is not able to be recycled. When is it of no use? It either get crushed. So with that machine you can insert crushed paper also, so that you can get it into a redo state or into its original or current state. This has also been certified by ISO as the best innovation so far. Now I would like to give it to my production manager, Mehul.
I'm Mehul, the marketing head of our company. So as you know, our product, the Quantico printer, is a new product, and in order to make it known to the people, we will have to advertise our product aggressively in the market. So let me tell you about a few of our marketing and advertising strategies that we are going to follow. Initially, we are planning to sell our product going door to door. It will also be available on websites including Flipkart and Amazon. We are also planning to make frequent demonstrations of our product in various airports and leading malls of our country, including those of Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Surat, and many other major cities of our country. We are also planning to advertise our product in various social networking sites and popular tech magazines. Along with that, we are planning to provide 1 year free after-sales services and 24/7 free helpline customer care service in order to retain our customers. So now I would like my colleague Yashodhan Sao to tell you more about the financial strategies of our company.
I'm the financial manager of this company. The price of our product is 29,999. We invested ₹5 crore for this product. The price is set in accordance to our market survey report. Penetration pricing at star, which leads to the cost plus pricing in future. This product is mainly made for high income and middle income groups, 10% discount will be given for first 100 customers. Now my colleague Sanskarak will tell you about research and development team.
About the future plans of our product. We will make our product more effectively and eco-friendly. So that firstly we will introduce a solar panel in it, so that the electricity which was consumed around 40 megawatt was consumed. For that we will sign a contract with international solar company for that. Those company which provides a solar panel which can generate energy from cosmic rays. So secondly, we are trying to put a skill on the top of it so that the work can be easily done. And thirdly, we are trying to make our product more useful. So we are proud to say that the newspaper which generally comes to our home was also separated the carbon and the newspaper from this product, so that the newspaper is used again in the press. And you think that the carbon and the ink from this product, from this newspaper and the paper will separate it and collect in a product, so that the ink and the carbon can be used for the future for printing and other purposes. Thank you.
No doubt it is wonderful. I have a question just after the sale. What is the after sales services? What kind of project you have after sales services for this project? The device you have already sold in the market, the people are happy, the organizations are happy. What about the upgrades after sales services?
About the after sales services. Sir, about the after sales services, if there are any complaints in the future with regarding to the product, maybe in most of the printers, if the paper gets stuck, so we will have our service centers set up everywhere in most of these cities, and we will plan accordingly and send our employees to repair the product.
And also, sir, we send our employees to clear the cartridge which is the printer, the ink which is stuck in the printer got clear up. We will send the employees to print. Per month we will send for a year.
Because immediate action is required, like person is using at 9 o'clock at night. What is it?
If the person is requiring the repairing immediately, then we also have a web page on the website, and with that the customer can check all the procedures to repair the basic repairment of the product.
So the one good advantage it has that is it is easy to use. A 6-year-old child can also use it. With that procedure, you just have to go to that link, start it as activated. There will be a code. You just press activate, and then the scan will start, and then the product will be automatically repaired. You won't need anything.
Okay, how many years of guarantee and warranty you have on this product?
So for guarantee and warranty, we are planning to give 1 year's guarantee and about 2 to 3 years warranty.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Ishul, the financial head. See, you said the investment is 5 crores. And what is the strategy that you plan with respect to... let me complete this. What is the strategy that you adopt so that you can get it back? How much annual production do you, or how many units do you plan to have?
Actually, our company is already existing, so we don't need more capital. If we need more capital, then we will invest in future.
No, it's related to the product that you are about to launch. So you said your investment is 5 crores. Is it only for this product or you are talking in general?
No, only for this product.
Then my question is, how much is your targeted annual production so that you can get your investment back? Because your price is at around 29,999 rupees, that is 30,000 per unit. So how much do you plan your annual production, how many units, and what do you plan to reach that particular target? What's your strategy to that?
So 20,000.
What strategy do you take to hit the target?
We have already got the order from Reliance, Infosys and many other tech companies. They have already given us order of 10,000 pieces. Now we would try to further market it by giving it its more ad on net. And we have also done a contract with Google. Now on every Google web page, before searching for all your answer, you would get a link for this product, which will, according to our estimation, we would easily get 50,000 pieces ordered this year.
Thank you so much and good show. Congrats. Mehul.